what you see laying on top is what I cut off. It's completely rotten. The flange was gone. So I welded on some rusty steel that I had. It actually came out of the bed of the 63 and it took its place. Now I'll create a flange on the bottom with a piece of angle iron once I cut it to the right length, top to bottom. So you can see that strip on the right hand side of this panel, which is technically the bottom of the panel, is just steel and it's rusty. I would like it to match the patina of the blue and white, which is part of the patina of the original truck. So I'll show you what I'm going to do. It uses acetone and some spray paint. So I have 2 cans of paint that, well, it's going to match kind of. There's a dark General Motors engine blue and an heirloom white, which is sort of an antique white, in a spray rattle can. So I sprayed some splotches of blue, certainly not trying to get an even coat, but trying to make it random. Now I'm going to use the heirloom white. Well, the white came out all splattered because the nozzle was clogged, but it's not really going to matter, as you will see. So it's going to be difficult to show, but I've got some acetone in that spray bottle and an old shop rag that's actually dirty. And I'm gonna wipe it down with acetone so that the sort of dissolving nature of the acetone on the paint will create a sort of a blended paint. So here's the area that has not been wiped with acetone on the rag. And then we transition up to these areas. Now, I can do more applications. You can see there's hints of blue, hints of white in there, but basically it looks like worn off paint for the most part, and you have to experiment. But this is what I'm doing to try and disguise the sheet of metal that didn't quite look like the other sheet, other metal. So there it is. Doesn't have as much white as what's above it, but it sort of blends in a little better. I might try another application of white. That's a little better.